इवनिंग वेलकम टू माय चैनल कैबेलेनाइक ऑफिशियल। आज हम 2013 का जो बाकी 30 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस होना था वो डिस्कस करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 121। Variation in gene frequency within the population can occur by chance rather than by natural selection. This is referred to as genetic flow, genetic drift, random mating, genetic load. Answer is option number B, that is genetic drift. Question number 122. If two persons with AB blood group marry and have a sufficiently large number of children, these children could be classified as A blood group, AB blood group, B blood group in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 1. The modern technique of protein electrophoresis reveal both A and B type proteins in AB blood group in individual. This is the example of codominance, incomplete dominance, partial dominance, complete dominance. Answer is option number A, that is codominance. Question number 123. The process by which organisms with different evolutionary history evolve similar phenotypic adaptation in a response to a common environmental challenge is called natural selection, convergent evolution, non-random evolution, adaptive radiation. Answer is option number B, that is convergent evolution. Question number 124. The tendency of population to remain in genetic equilibrium may be disturbed by random mating, lack of migration, lack of mutations, lack of random mating. Answer is option number D, that is lack of random mating. Question number 125. Which of the following BT crops is being grown in the India by farmers? Maize, cotton, brinjal, soybean. Answer is option number B, that is cotton. A good producer of citric acid, Aspergillus, Pseudomonas, Clostridium, Saccharomyces. Answer is option number A, that is Aspergillus. Question number 127. DNA fragments generated by restriction endonuclease in a chemical reaction can be separated by centrifugation, PCR, electrophoresis, restriction mapping. Answer is option number C, that is electrophoresis. Which of the following is not correctly matched of the organism and its cellular degrading enzymes? Bacteria lysozyme, plant cell cellulase, algae methylase, fungi chitinase. Answer is option number C, that is algae methylase. Question number 129. The colonies of recombinant bacteria appear white in contrast to blue colonies of non-recombinant bacteria because of non-recombinant bacteria containing beta-galactosidase insertional inactivation of alpha-galactosidase is non-recombinant bacteria. Insertional inactivation of alpha-galactosidase in recombinant bacteria. Inactivation of glycosidase enzyme is in recombinant bacteria. Answer is option number C, that is insertional inactivation of alpha galactosidase in recombinant bacteria. Question number 130. Which of the following are likely to be present in deep sea water? Archaebacteria, eubacteria, blue-green algae, saprophytic fungi. Answer is option number A, that is archaebacteria, जो कि extreme environment में होते हैं. Natural reservoir of phosphorus is sea water, animal bones, rock, fossils. Answer is option number C, that is rock. Secondary productivity is rate formation of new organic matter by producer, parasite, consumer, decomposer. Answer is option number C, that is consumer. Which one of the following is not used for ex situ plant conservation? Field gene banks, seed banks, shifting cultivation, botanical garden. Answer is option C, shifting cultivation. Kyoto Protocol was endorsed at COP3, COP5, COP6, COP4. Answer is option number A, that is COP3. Which of the following represent maximum number of species among global biodiversity? Algae, lichens, fungi, mosses and ferns. Answer is option number C, that is fungi. Question number 136. Question number 136, that match the following with the characteristics phylum Petromyzon, ectoparasite Cyclostomata, Ichthyophis terrestrial reptilia, Limulus body covered by chitinous exoskeleton Pisces, Adamsia radially symmetrical and Polyphera. Answer is option number A, that is Petromyzon, ectoparasite and Cyclostomata. Which of the following are correctly matched with the respective of the taxonomic classification? Flying fish, cuttlefish, silverfish, fishes. No, silverfish is not a fish. Centipede, millipede, spider, scorpion, insecta. Housefly, butterfly, CC fly, silverfish, insecta. Spiny anteater, sea urchin, sea cucumber, Echinodermata. Answer is option number C, that is housefly, butterfly, CC fly, silverfish, insecta. All are insecta. Which group of animal belong to the same phylum? Malarial parasite, amoeba, mosquito, earthworm, pinworm, tapeworm, prawn, scorpion, locusta, sponge, sea anemone, and starfish. Answer is option number C, that is prawn, scorpion, and locusta. All are arthropods. And the 139 question, one of the representative phylum Arthropoda is cuttlefish, silverfish, pufferfish, flying fish. Answer is option number 2, that is silverfish. The H zone in the skeletal fiber is due to the absence of myofibrils in the central portion of the A band, the central gap between myosin filament in the A band, the central gap between the actin filament extending through myosin filament in the A band, extension of myosin filament in the central portion of the A band. Answer is option number C, that is central gap between actin filament extending through myosin filament in the A band. Question number 141. What external changes are visible after the last molt of a cockroach nymph? Mandible becomes harder, anal cerci develop, both forewings and hindwings develop, labium develops. Answer is option number C, that is both forewings and hindwings develop. Question number 142. The Golgi complex plays a major role in trapping the light and transforming into the chemical energy, in digesting proteins and carbohydrate as energy transforming organelles, in post translational modification of proteins and glycosidation of lipids. Answer is option number D, that is in post translational modification of proteins and glycosidation of lipids. 143 question, it is the a diagram, and diagram related to a raw endoplasmic reticulum, formation of glycoproteins, Golgi apparatus protein synthesis, Golgi apparatus formation of glycolipids, raw endoplasmic reticulum protein synthesis. Answer is option number D, that is raw endoplasmic reticulum protein synthesis. Macromolecule chitin is nitrogen containing polysaccharide, phosphorus containing polysaccharide, sulfur containing polysaccharide, simple polysaccharide. Answer is option number A, that is nitrogen containing polysaccharide. The essential chemical components of many coenzymes are protein, nucleic acid, carbohydrates, vitamins. Answer is option number D, that is vitamins. Question number 146. A stage in the cell division is shown in the figure. Select the answer. इसको related show करना है ये किस phase में. Telophase, late anaphase, cytokinesis, telophase. And nuclear envelope reforms, Golgi complex reforms, chromosome move away from equatorial plate, Golgi complex not present, cell plate formed, mitochondria distributed between two daughter cell, endoplasmic reticulum and nucleus not reformed yet. Answer is option number A, that is telophase, and and function is nuclear envelope reforms, Golgi complex reforms. 147 question, select the column 1 and column 2, and the glycine, glucose, small intestine active absorption, fructose, Na plus, small intestine passive absorption, glycerol and fatty acid, duodenum move as the chylomicrons, cholesterol, maltose, large intestine active absorption. Answer option number A, that is glycine, glucose, small intestine active absorption. A pregnant female delivers a baby who suffers from the stunted growth, mental retardation, low intelligence quotient, and abnormal skin. This is the result of deficiency of iodine in diet, low secretion of growth hormone, cancer of thyroid gland, over secretion of pars crystallis. Answer is option number A, that is deficiency in iodine in diet. This is the diagram, and diagram related to A, B, C, D, and the trachea long tube supported by complete cartilaginous rings for conducting inspired air, pleural membrane surround ribs on both sides to provide cushion against throbbing, alveoli thin walled vascular bag like structural for exchange of gases, lower end of lungs, diaphragm pulls in and down during inspiration. Answer option C, that is alveoli, thin walled bag and like structure of exchange of gases. A, B, C, D, and is option number C, that is the vena cava, takes blood from body parts to right ventricle, and PCO2 is 45 mmHg. Thank you.